This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the Windows 10 build and architecture, so you download compatible drivers. This matters because wrong bitness breaks installs. Once done, create a system restore point to roll back if needed, and plug into power to avoid interruptions. Next, open Device Manager and locate the device category you will update. Make sure to right-click the specific device and select Update Driver so you begin the safe, focused process without wasting time on irrelevant steps. Now choose the source. Use Device Manager for automatic search, Windows Update for Microsoft-tested drivers, or the OEM support page for the latest vendor drivers. Why this matters is driver authenticity and compatibility. Once you have the correct package, prefer WHQL-signed installers. If you download a zip, extract it and run setup. EXE as administrator. If using Device Manager, pick Browse My Computer for drivers and point to the extracted folder. Make sure to finish, reboot the PC and return to Device Manager to confirm the device shows correctly and status reads, "This device is working properly." This verifies the update applied. If something fails, immediately use Roll Back Driver in Device Properties or restore the system point you created earlier. These quick steps undo problematic changes. If problems continue, check Event Viewer for driver errors and consult the Vendor Support Forum or release notes to identify conflicts or required firmware updates. Then retry the correct driver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.